Hello everyone, this is the last video of the chapter electricity, and this topic is really important because you will get lots of numerical problem definition and in this on this topic. So the topic is electrical power. The topic is electrical power. Now what is the meaning of power? Power is defined as the rate of doing work. Rate of doing work. So when we say rate of doing work, that means power is equal to work done by time, because whenever we use the word rate, always below what will be there? Time will be there. So what is electrical power? Electrical power equal to rate of doing work, W by T. So work is equal to energy. So also we can say the rate at which electrical energy is consumed is called power. So there are two definitions I already told you. P equal to W by T. Now, so if through a circuit, suppose potential difference is V, one charge is moving. So how much charge is moving? How much work is done to move the charge through a circuit? So work done is equal to V by Q. Already I told you. So V equal to W by Q potential. So from here what will get? W will be equal to VQ. If you get W equal to VQ, so in place of this W, what can I write? VQ divided by T. But we already know that what is V according to Ohm's law, V is nothing but IR, and Q is equal to IT. Already we know IT, and divided by what is there? T. So T and T will get cancelled. Power will be equal to nothing but I square by I square R. So this is the one formula for power. So in place of R, if I write V by I, because V equal to IR, so in place of this we can write, in place of R we can write V by I. So one I and one I will get cancelled, and P will be equal to nothing but V by I. So this is the second formula of power. Thirdly, in place of I, if I put V by R, in place of I, if I put V by R, so P will be equal to, I value is V by R, so it will be V square by R square multiplied by R. So one R and one R will get cancelled, so power will be equal to V square by R. So this is the third formula for power. Remember this, these are the very important formulas. Now, definition of 1 watt power. Definition of 1 watt power. So what is 1 watt power? You see, power is equal to W by T. So if work equal to 1 joule, and time equal to 1 second, then power will be called 1 watt. The SI unit of power is watt, W-A-T-T. Now through a circuit, if 1 joule of work is done, in 1 second, remember the definition. If 1 joule of work is done in 1 second, then the power is called 1 watt. So in terms of energy also we can say P equal to E by T. So how you define power in terms of energy? If 1 joule of electrical energy is consumed in 1 second, then we can say that the power of that electrical appliance is nothing but the 1 watt. Okay. Now, some more things are there here. Let us try to understand this. SI unit of power is watt, but 1 watt is very small quantity. So if you want to 1 watt is very small quantity. So normally we use 1 kilowatt. So in 1 kilowatt, how much watt is there? 1000. That means 10 to the power 3 watt is present. In 1 kilowatt, how much watt is present? 10 to the power 3 watt. Now, another commercial unit of power is commercial unit of power is kilowatt hour, and that is also called 1 unit. Now let us see what is 1 kilowatt hour. Definition of 1 kilowatt hour. Now what is 1 kilowatt hour? If a electrical appliance of power 1 kilowatt used for 1 hour, then then it is called 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour or 1 unit or 1 unit energy. If an electrical appliance whose power is 1 kilowatt, and if it is used for 1 hour, then the corresponding power is called nothing but the or energy is called nothing but the 1 kilowatt hour or 1 unit power, we can say. Now let us convert 1 kilowatt hour into joule. 1 kilowatt hour. In 1 kilowatt, how much watt is there? 1000 watt is there. In 1 kilowatt, in 1 kWh, how much watt is there? 1000. And in 1 hour, how much second is there? 60 into 60. 1000 multiplied by 60 into 60 will be 3600. So you can write 36. How many zeros? 5 zeros. So if you write this one, it will be 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. So in 1 kilowatt hour, how much joule is there? 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule is there. So this is all about electrical power. So what we studied in electrical power, we studied about the definitions. Then we saw that units of power, different formulas of power, and then we defined 1 kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour, and we converted the 1 kilowatt hour in terms of joule. Many numerical problems are there. Try to solve it out. Many numerical problems are there, which is very practical based. I hope you will find this, and remaining notes will remaining effect of electric current we'll see in the next chapter, that is magnetism. So till that, this was only for today in this video. With this video, this chapter finishes up. In the next video, I'll bring to you magnetism chapter. Thank you very much.